It's a basic, yeah?
This is the basic ARV. It got a cutting length of 4.6 millimeter, 4.6 meter. With this machine you can manage the electronic degrees, also the intermediate, starting from 20 degrees up to 135. Also the intermediate degrees you can calculate electronically with servo drive. Machine got 3 servo drive inside the electrical cabinet. There is one drive for the movement of the mobile head, and one drive each head for make the angle. It got a 500 millimeter
Servo motor, yeah?
Yes, with servo motor. 3 servo motor, 2 for the movement, and 1 for the movement of the head, for the tilting, and 1 for the movement during the X-axis. 500 millimeter saw blade. Here you can regulate how much the saw blade had to go outside, depending if you got a small profile. It tells the machine it's enough that saw blade arrive here. Here you regulate the micro inside the head where the blade go to touch. In that case, if you cut a small profile, the cutting of the blade doesn't go for the entire length, and so you save time. Here you regulate the speed of exit, if you want that go outside very quickly, or if you got, for example, a full profile of aluminum and you need that going up a little bit slow, here you can regulate the speed. And in this model, the lubrication is regulated electronically by the software. You say how many impulses you should give to the machine, because outside you got the micro drop tank. So you say to the machine, I want for this program 60 impulses of oil each cycle, and you regulate it in electronic way. All of the machine, even the electronic cabinet, is produced inside our group. This is made by ES, that is a company of our group, that makes the assembly of all the electrical cabinet. You got the alarm, and you got practically, for the long profile, an intermediate support when you got, for example, a 4 meter profile to avoid the mat bending. Then, all our machine, even this machine, you can afford to make longer cut. For example, if you want to make a 5 meter cut, the software already calculates the movement before place the profile there, the head moves there, take the profile, go a little bit back, take it, and going again on the right side. So you can afford cuts that are longer than the stroke of the machine, and you can afford cuts that are also smaller than the cut of the machine. All the machine, without any optional, is a standard for all the machine. You got the step-by-step cut. So, what does it mean? This head moves the profile, and this head performs the cut. This is an option, the same for all the machine. Yes. We produce this kind of model since 20 years. We know very well. We produce it in stock, so it means that, as you can see, we got several machines in stock in production of this model that help us to have always very quickly delivery or spare parts. If you need spare part for the machine, we are able to give a 24-hour service for all the parts, because all the time we got a lot of stock of component of this kind of machine in our stock. is the most sold machine of our group. We know very well, and for all Windows fabricator, is normally enough for a complete all this kind of job.